Breastfeeding and pumping can be a challenging yet rewarding experience for many mothers. Recently, I tried a new pumping method that I found to be quite effective and worth sharing. This approach focuses on maximizing milk output while ensuring comfort and efficiency. The method involves a combination of hands-on pumping and a structured schedule. Before starting, I used a warm compress to stimulate letdown and gently massaged my breasts to encourage milk flow. During the pumping session, I alternated between using an electric pump and hand expression. This combination helped empty the breasts more thoroughly, which can boost milk production over time. Additionally, I followed a consistent schedule, pumping every 2 to 3 hours during the day to mimic a baby's feeding pattern. Staying hydrated and maintaining a balanced diet also played a crucial role in my success. For any breastfeeding mother, finding the right method is essential. Consult with a lactation consultant for personalized advice tailored to your needs.